Okay, so before you watch this video, make sure you have this little piece of paper with the formulas that we're going to use for area and the note sheet for area. So remember, area is what's inside the shape, and that's what we're going to find today. All right, so we're going to look at a rectangle and square first. So these formulas are what we're going to use for rectangle and square. So go to your notes. The first one is a rectangle. And so to find the area, we take the length multiplied by the width. So this area is going to be 8 times 3, which is 24. And you might want to grab a calculator for this. So this is 24 square centimeters. When we use area, we call it square centimeters because you're breaking it up into 24 squares is what you're doing there. So this one is also a rectangle. So you would have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 7, 2, 3, 4, 7, like this, and that would give you 5 times 7. So inside here you would have 35 square feet. So 35 squares. Okay, let's look at the next one. The next one is a square. So this one is a square because the sides are the same. So you can do this one two different ways. You can say that this is 3 squared, the exponent, which means 3 times 3. So it's 3 by 3. So 3 by 3 is 9. So inside here I could draw 9 squares. So it's 9 squares. And our last one is a rectangle again. So inside here you could take 10 by 4 squares. So that's going to be 40 square inches. So you'd have 40 little squares. If you drew a bunch of little squares in here, there'd be 40 little squares. So the formula is taking the length times the width, or sometimes they call it the base times the height. But to find the area of a rectangle or a square, you multiply. All right, try the practice.